Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to let you know my healthy lunch option which I follow pretty much every day in order to maintain my weight as well as not so slimmer, just healthy tummy line. Many of mommies who watch my videos keep on asking me that how you maintain your health and all, so I thought this would be the perfect start in order to start my series of those healthier food options and exercises and whatnot about the health. So along with this one, I'm also going to review few products which I brought from Ikea. Recently I've purchased these two kitchen additions from Ikea, and I'm using these things in this video also so that you can see them properly. So I've been using those products from past few days and I have some opinions about those products, so I'm going to share those things with you all today. So that's it. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is very simple salad. For this I'm going to use few vegetables of my choice. This is corn, some green beans, and some carrot. These are completely your choice. And some onions. These are like completely of your choice. Every vegetable is of your choice. You can replace other veggies also, which can be steam cooked likely, I can say. Let me talk about these boxes. These are the boxes which are making my life more easier and hassle free, I can say. Usually I cut all these vegetables like like lots, and I'll keep them all in these boxes, and I'll keep refrigerate them for a few days, likely like 2 to 3 days only I'll refrigerate them. And these are like so good, guys, and these are perfect size for any refrigerator storage, I could say. And the quality is so good. You can see this is having nice openable lid that you can fix it, and this is airtight also, and you can see through. That is a very big advantage, and you can find these boxes everywhere in IKEA, and three of them for 129 rupees. This is the next product which I'm going to review. This is a vessel. Actually, these are two vessels which I mix and matched. Especially, I bought these steamer. I could say this is a steamer, or you can also call it as sieve plate. I Everybody will use this as steamer only. Steaming plate. You can put this steaming plate on the top of other heavy bottomed, or I can say any other vessel which definitely it have to fit in, so that your all vegetables will be steam cooked properly. So this is how it looks. The quality is super fine, and this is the bottom vessel. This is actually the single piece. It doesn't come with that steamer plate. I mix and matched it, and this bottom pan or the pot will come along with that lid which I kept now. So these three pieces I got, and the price details I'll be writing somewhere on the screen, or else you can find it in the description box down below. We'll start with the salad. Take the steamer insert and put all the vegetables except corn. I don't like this corn to be steam cooked. I'll cook it separately. So carrots are going in. The next, beans, onions, and now mix all of them properly. So to this bottom pan, I'm adding corn. Add appropriate amount of water for boiling. Put it on the stove and cook it for about 15 minutes approximately. In between, you can check. This is how the vegetables are right now. They're almost cooked, and the corn is also good. and it is also almost cooked. And now at this point you can add some salt. And here is a quick tip for you all guys: don't put salt till water attains boiling temperature, so that you can avoid salt or water marks on the walls of container. So now I'm adding salt as per taste. So here are our dish ready vegetables which are properly cooked, and here is again a quick tip: don't add salt to this also while they are cooking, so that they'll become more softer. If you like them to be little crunchy, don't add salt while cooking, always add before serving. And here is our corn too, which is cooked properly. Here is my lunch served in a favorite bowl of mine, sprinkled with salt, and these are so crunchy and tasty. You can have these vegetables along with the curd also sometimes, and along with this salad I'll be eating whole egg every day, which completes my lunch routine. And hope you all loved my dish and try them properly like this, and then do let me know guys, have you liked it? That's about this video guys. If you like this video, like it, and if you want to share this one, you're all free to share this one. And if you are not yet subscribed, then highly recommend you to subscribe.